up, Nay Nation? It's your girl Lena now, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my own nails at home for cheap. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm using this Mia Secret professional acrylic nail kit that I got off of Amazon. I was trying to rip the tape off the back so I could show y'all everything that come with the kit, but it wasn't trying to come off. So I'm just going to dump everything out, and I'm going to show y'all everything that comes with this kit. Basically, everything that you need to do your nails comes with this kit. Like, it comes with monomer, powder, primer, nail files, a nail cutter, like everything. And I got it from Amazon. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but everything is going to be linked in the description box down below, so y'all can go check this stuff out that I'm using if y'all want to go get it. It wasn't that much. I would think everything together that I got to do my nails, it was about like almost $200, and that's not bad because I got all this stuff. I got a nail drill, I got a lamp, I got some gel polish, and yeah, that's not bad. But now I'm just showing y'all everything that come with the kit. That monomer actually did not come with the kit. It comes with a little bottle of monomer, but I had used it all, so I just bought that one. Y'all, I'm putting on this hospital mask because the fumes get on my nerves sometimes. Alright, y'all, so all the nails are glued on. Now I'm taking the nail cutter that came with the kit also, and I'm going to just like figure out how long I want my nails. It all depends on how long you want them. I didn't want to go too long, so I'm just cutting them like medium length. And you want, when you cutting your nails, you want to give yourself space to like file them. So I'm cutting them a little longer than what I really want them to be, because once I file them and shape them, they're gonna get shorter anyway. Now I'm going to take the nail clipper and I'm cutting the size of my nails, just because I don't really like my nails to be wide. And when you do this, it makes like less work you have to put in when you filing your nails. So that's why I like to do this step, because it make it easier when you're shaping your nails basically. Alright, y'all, so here comes the most important part: shaping your nails. So I like to shape my nails before I put the acrylic on and after, because once you shape them before you put them on, you basically already like got your shape together. You know how you want them to be, so it's just easier to shape them before you put the acrylic on. So I'm using this nail file that came with the kit also, and I really like this nail file because I don't have to sit there and keep filing. Like once I file it a couple times, like it shaped my nails so fast. I don't know how to explain this, because I told y'all I'm not an expert, and I probably be saying some stuff that's like don't make sense, or it's like just not correct way to say it. But don't blame me, y'all, because I'm just trying to show y'all how to do your nails at home for cheap, and I'm not a damn expert. So don't be in my comments trying to tell me how to talk and I'm unarticulate and all this other stuff, because look, I don't care. And I really like my nails to have like a sharp box shape, so that's the shape that I'm going for. But whatever shape you want to do your nails, that's the way that you want to file them. But I was just trying to do something fast and simple, so I just did a nice sharp box. Now I'm checking my nails out to make sure they are even and sharp and how I want them to be. And now that I like the way that my shape is, I'm going to take my monomer that I got from Amazon. It's Buy Me a Secret, and I'm going to use this little dapping dish that actually came with the kit. The kit comes with one dapping dish, but I got a couple more from Sally's. So then I'm going to take some napkins and like fold it into a square shape. You want to make sure your napkins, like you don't use one napkin, you use multiple napkins. Now I'm using this little brush to brush the dust away. I'm putting some more primer to just ensure that I don't get any lifting at all. Then I'm going to soak my brush inside the monomer and just like dry it off with the napkin and flatten my brush out. Now I'm going to start the acrylic process. So I just dip my brush into the dapping dish, and I like brush it up against the side just to get rid of all the excess monomer. And then I dip it inside the powder, and I start like in the middle of my nail where the fake nail and my real nail meet. Like I start right there, and I put my first like acrylic right there, and then I just build it up. And I'm using the white acrylic powder that came with the kit. And I was going to try to do all my nails with this color, but like the white powder is like really hard to deal with. The clear powder I feel like is the easiest to deal with out of all the powders. So I just only did one nail with the white acrylic powder. And then once I do that, I clean up like any acrylic that get on my skin. I clean it up, because if you don't, you're going to get lifting. And you want to make sure you dip in your brush back into the monomer anytime that you wipe it onto the napkin, because you want to make sure your brush is moist and wet at all times, or else the acrylic will stick in your brush, and then you'll have to keep cleaning it, and it's just going to make the process longer than what it have to be. But now I'm just building up that white acrylic. It don't really matter how many times you have to keep putting acrylic on, as long as you feel like your nail is thick enough and it's to the point where it's not going to break off, like it's too thin, then that's up to you. So I just put the white acrylic on there a couple times, and once I see that I like how thick my nail is, I'm going to use the clear acrylic powder, and I'm going to, I forgot the word that you use for this, but basically anytime you use a colored acrylic powder, you want to put clear acrylic on top of that, so once you drill your nails, the color won't start to come off. Oh, I remember, it's called encapsulate. So I'm going to encapsulate the white acrylic, and once I go like to where my cuticle is, I make sure that I use just a little bit of acrylic and build it up, because it can get very messy if you like put way too much acrylic onto your brush and then you try to like go all the way down to your cuticle, because like that's the most important place. That's where you get your lifting, like that's, so you just want to make sure you're not putting way too much product on your brush at one time. You just want to build it up. And I'm not going to show y'all like every single nail of me putting acrylic on, because it will start to get repetitive. So I'm going to show y'all a couple nails how I put my acrylic on, and then we're going to get into the polish. Y'all, I did not record me drilling my nails. Please don't be mad at me. I honestly didn't know my phone wasn't recording. But I'm going to take the hand sanitizer that came with the kit, and I'm going to take some napkins, and I'm just going to wipe all the dust off my nails and get my nails ready for the polish. And I'm taking some acetone and putting a little brush inside my dabbing dish so I can clean up my polish if I make any mistakes, because if you don't, your polish will peel off. And as y'all can see, my shape is good, like everything is good with my nails. So now I'm taking this white gelish gel polish, and I'm going to put that on my middle finger. I'm going to do 2 coats, and between each coat I'm going to put it inside the lamp and cure it. But now I am taking that brush I was talking about and cleaning up any polish that I got on my skin. I was debating if I wanted to do all my nails white with the white polish or not, but I didn't want to because white polish get dirty fast. So I took a gray polish out of my gel polish kit that I bought off Amazon. It's gonna be linked down below for y'all. And I'm putting that on my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to also put it on my pinky, but I was just debating on what I wanted to do, but I finally made up my mind, and I put gray on my index, my pinky, my thumb, and then I put this silver glitter that also came in my gel polish kit, and I put that on my pointer finger. And now I'm just putting it under the lamp and let it cure. And now I am done with the polish, y'all. I really like how my nails came out. But I'm taking this top coat. I don't know how to pronounce the brand of it, but it's going to be linked down below for y'all. And it's a no wipe top coat. And then I just put that on my nails, and then I'm cleaning up around my skin if I got any of the top coat on to my skin, because I want to make sure none of my polish peels. And after I do that, I'm going to curl my nails twice on 30 seconds just to make sure that everything is secure and dry and nothing is going to mess up. Alright, so after I was looking at my nails for a second, I wanted to add a little bit, a little bit of pizzazz to them because I feel like they was a little plain. So I'm taking this resin. It's basically glue that you use for rhinestones, and I'm going to put some of that onto this little piece of cardboard because I lost the little pointy part that came with it, and this can get very messy, so I'm putting it on a cardboard little piece of paper, and then I'm going to use this little cuticle cutter, and I'm going to use that to put it on my nail. And then I'm going to take a rhinestone and put it at in the middle of my nail, but all the way at the bottom near my cuticle. And I'm going to put a rhinestone on every nail besides the glitter nail. And because I just didn't want to do too much and have a rhinestone on a glitter nail, so I just didn't put it on my pointer fingers. And this is the finished look, y'all. I'm finally done. I was doing my nails all freaking day. I started at 3 something and I didn't stop till 10 o'clock. And that's because I just kept stopping and watching TV and prolonging and everything like that. But y'all, this was easy. Your first time is probably not going to be as easy, and you're probably not going to get the results that you really want. It's probably not going to look professional, but once you keep doing it and get the hang of it, you'll be alright, sis. So this is how my nails came out. I really like them. If you like them, make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and tell me if this video was helpful in the comment section, because I'm all about helping my sisters, save some coin. You feel me? But yeah, y'all. That's how I do my nails at home. And make sure you follow me on all my social media. Everything going to be linked in the description box for you. Everything that I use is going to be linked in the description box for you. And yeah, that's it. Bye, Nation. I love you.